That's a red 4.
Red 4. What's that?
That's a blue M.
A blue M. A.
That is an H. What color is it?
Green.
Good job. Yeah.
R.
Let's see.
Yellow. A yellow R.
That is right. Good job.
What's that?
That's a yellow X.
Yellow X.
What's this one?
What's that?
A yellow W.
Yellow W.